dear students, welcome back to the physics class. In the previous class, we already learned the topic power transmission and distribution including power stations. And today we are going to learn about another topic about household electrification and electric shock. So let's learn more about this. Household electrification. Here you can see the pictorial representation of a household electric circuit. This is also called tree system, and this system starts from the electric post. So let's learn more about this tree system. Electricity reaching our house through electric lines enter the watt hour meter first, that you can see in this picture. The earth line starts from the watt hour meter. The watt hour meter is used to measure electrical energy. Watt hour meter is then passes through the main fuse and then to the main switch to different appliances. The fuse is connected in the phase line. Phase line is the line which electricity passes through, so it is also called live line. Main switch is used to cut off the electrical supply when required so as to repair any faults in this connection. It is connected beyond the electric meter, that is in between main fuse and ELCB. In the household electrical circuit, we can see three lines: a phase line, a neutral line and a earth line. So let's learn more about watt hour meter. Watt hour meter is a device which is used to measure electrical energy, and it is measured using the unit kilowatt hour. This kilowatt hour is also known as a unit. So let's learn what is a unit or 1 unit electrical energy. And 1 unit electrical energy is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. That means the commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour. A device of power 1000 watt when used for 1 hour consumes 1 unit of electrical energy, then it is called 1 unit electrical energy. And the equation to calculate the electrical energy is energy equals power in watt into time in hour divided by 1000. This equation is used to calculate the electrical energy that we used in our houses. All of you know that electricity is a form of energy that is extremely dangerous. Hence, different safety measures are inbuilt in household circuit. So let's learn what are the safety measures in household electrification. Safety fuse, MCB and TLCB, then 3-pin plug and earthing. And we already learned about the safety fuse in the first chapter. So here we are going to study about MCB, that is miniature circuit breaker, ELCB, that is earth leakage circuit breaker. So what is the function of MCB? Let's see. MCB is a device that is used in the place of a fuse wire branch circuit, that is in parallel circuit. MCB automatically breaks the circuit whenever there is an excess flow of current due to short circuit or overloading. After rectifying the circuit, that means after correcting the complaints in the circuit, we can switch on the MCB and make the circuit as it was. And MCB works making use of heating and magnetic effects of electricity. Next one, ELCB, that is earth leakage circuit breaker. This helps to break the circuit automatically whenever there is a current leak due to insulation failure or any other reasons. Hence, a person touching the electric circuit or a device does not get an electric shock. Nowadays, RCCB, which ensures more safety than ELCB, is made use of. RCCB is residual current circuit breaker. Next one, 3-pin plug and earthing. In order to ensure safety, 3-pin plugs are used in certain appliances. Here you can see the picture of an electric iron. In the case of the electric iron, the metal body of the electric appliances comes into contact with a live wire, that is the phase line. Electricity will flow to the earth through the earth pin of the 3-pin plug shown in this figure. Hence, accidents due to electric shock can be avoided. So here, phase line and neutral line are connected to the coil of the electric iron, and earth line is connected to the body of the electric iron. So let's see what is the reason. If the phase line comes into contact with the body of the appliance due to defects in the insulation, high current will flow through the body of the person who touches the body of the appliance, and there is a chance of getting an electric shock. So, to avoid this, we are connecting earth line into the body of the appliance. So, next one, earthing for better safety. The pin E, that is the earth pin of a 3-pin plug, comes into contact with the earth line. This pin is now connected to the body of the appliance. If at all the body comes into contact with an electric connection, electricity flows to the earth through the earth wire. The flow of current to the earth through a circuit of low resistance increases the current. As a result, the heat generated in the fuse wire increases and the circuit gets broken. This ensures the safety of instrument and the person handling it. So let's see what are the peculiarities of earth pin. The length and thickness of the earth pin is more than that of the other pins. Since the length is more, when the 3-pin is introduced into the socket, the earth pin comes into contact with the circuit first. And when the 3-pin is pulled out of the socket, the earth pin will be the last to break the contact. Hence, complete safety is ensured by the 3-pin plug. Here, thick copper wire is used as the earth wire. So, a path of low resistance is created here, so electricity can easily flow to the earth through this. The electricity we get in our homes is AC, but many devices are working on DC, and we get DC from a mobile phone battery, but we use AC for charging it. So can you say what is the reason for this? Let's see. Most of the devices that work only on DC work by converting AC into DC. Mobile charger is a device that converts AC into DC, and the device which converts AC into DC is rectifier. So what is a rectifier? It is a device that converts AC into DC. AC is converted into DC after lowering the 230 volt AC to 12 volt or 6 volt. As required for devices, step-down transformer or inductor is used for this purpose. The main part of the rectifier is an electronic component named diode. Diode conducts current only in one direction. In addition to such rectifiers that make use of different electronic components are also in practice. So, watch the next video related with electric shock. Thank you for